Y'all, I almost bought this Walmart plant stand for $50 till I realized I have a whole bookcase at home. This is the bookcase. I have already put it together off camera, but today I'm going to show you how I'm going to add my lights to this bookcase. Right here I'm showing you my seed starting tray with the plastic cups from Dollar Tree. Stay tuned for that video. But right now, let's get into putting these lights up. Hey everybody, I'm Cam, and this is Patio Garden. This is the grow lights I got from Amazon. I will link it in the description box. These are the grow light panels. You get 4 of them. I'm opening the other box for you so you can see. In this bag, you'll get the zip ties, and there's 16 of those in there. The double-sided tape, 10 of those. That's the power adapter, and that's the extension cord with timer. So right now I'm going to go ahead and place the double-sided tape on the grow light panel. Eventually I'm going to speed this up, but I wanted y'all to see me put the tape on the panels and put it up. I was struggling a little bit, but I got it all, and I was placing it up there, and then I noticed as soon as I placed it up there that I put it on the wrong side, the adapter part on the wrong side. So I had to take it down and turn it around to put it up on the right side. But then I realized it should have 2 double-sided tape on them. So, and here I'm placing the second one. I only used 2 lights. So I'm about to plug everything in, get everything attached so you can see how bright the lights are. So right here, I'm messing around with the remote, trying to get the settings correct. As soon as the lights came on, I was like, yes, I knew I had got a great set of lights. It's very bright. Even my sister was like, ooh, that's bright. So I'm playing with it, the knobs on the remote, trying to figure out everything. At the end of the video, I will show you everything that's on the remote. So right here, I used another tray to like boost the other seed starting tray up to see how close it will help get to the lights, and it's decent, but I probably lift the shelves up. Here is an up close of the lights and the cups. And I'm going to show you what I mean when I said I was going to lift it up. That's a peg right there. I'm going to point to it. And they can come out in those holes. It's different. It's a whole bunch of holes. So I can push that shelf up so it can be close to the light. This is the remote. That's the brightness, decrease, and then increase brightness. That is the time move button, both of those. That is the mood switch button, and that's the power button. So here is the bookcase, y'all. The infamous seed starter bookcase. I'm so excited. I am speaking over my seeds. Grow, grow, grow. This will be a great year for gardening. If you made it this far in the video, you have made it to the end. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and join the Sow, Grow, Harvest family. Comment below if you would use a bookcase as a seed starting station. Don't forget to like and hit the bell. Until next time, family, remember, let's grow on purpose. See you later.